All right, coming to you live from New Zealand. I'm in my niece's bedroom. I've got lots of dolls with me, and as soon as Eliza, the other judge, turns up, we'll get underway. What do we got here? Elephants. There you go, elephants.
Hey,
Hey,
Mark.
Eliza.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. It's been raining here in Wellington. What about you up in Northland?
Crazy weather here, crazy weather here. My outdoor shower, which is my only shower where I'm living, blew apart overnight.
Oh man.
Disastrous. So now I'm at my mother-in-law's, hence why in my niece's bedroom
It's
with all my unicorn material rather than my unicorn wig, ready to do the judging.
cool. Let's do it. I've watched
Okay.
all of the videos and they're yeah, two in my bucket in terms of ones that I did like, but there can only be one.
True.
And yeah, it was very tough. It was tough.
There's some great submissions, right? Some great teamwork obviously happened over the 24-hour period. Some really good quality content come through. For me, one winner just really stood out. So why don't you show me yours and I'll show you mine?
Ooh, okay. Right, write mine now.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's see if we got the same one. Woo!
Woo!
Alrighty, we're on the point with the winning team. Well done, pal Kiwi. A couple of things that really stood out for me is your problem statement was crystal clear. You engaged an individual actually that would use it, which I thought was fantastic. You really understood what they needed. And then you produced a simple solution, but a complete solution. I could imagine this being rolled out into businesses pretty much straight away, bringing the Power Platform, bringing cognitive service with Lewis, etc., all into your application. And it was good to go, and it fully worked end to end. Well done.
Yeah, for me, what I really liked was rather than having a person, tap away on the screen in terms of providing the details, they could talk. So in other words, talk, and then it would recognize the speech to text. And so for me, I was like, wow, this is actually really cool because it is something that is relatable to any business in New Zealand, whether it's in hospitality or even in a corporate business, because
Mm-hmm.
offices will be opening up soon. So
Yeah.
yeah, I really liked it. I was impressed. I was
There's
impressed.
totally contactless, so supports the whole COVID-19 theme that we're going for,
Yeah.
and prevents those germs being spread. Fantastic. Well done. Thank you.
Yeah, cool. Good on you guys.